How to copy a TikTok caption. Hello guys, this is Adkis and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can copy a TikTok caption. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First steps first, locate your TikTok app and then open it up. After you open up your TikTok, find a video that you want to copy the caption of. Find a video that you want to copy the caption of. And after you find the caption, tap on the share icon on the right hand side. And now what you can do is copy the link to this very video. So let's copy a link. There should be a copy link section or option. There we go. Tap on copy link. And after you copy the link, just head over to a web browser. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use a website which will help us copy the link. So just open up a web browser and on the web browser search for SSS. After you type in SSS, just type in tick.io and it should take you to this page. Now we will not be downloading any YouTube videos from here. What we are doing is just using this feature. So just search for that. And there you'll find this caption. Now, you can simply copy the caption for that very video and copy it and then paste it wherever you want. And that's how you copy a TikTok caption. Thanks for watching. It's that simple. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.